Hey y'all, I'm here with this super natural looking full head crochet install hack, which is super comfortable, causes zero hair damage, very minimal leave out, plus uses no heat. I achieved this look with hair from Ywigs. I got their 22-inch water deep wave feather crochet and I started out with 5 bundles. So my hack for this extremely easy install is to crochet the hair onto this cap instead of directly on my head. The cap has a pretty thick band around it, which is good for security, but I don't want it at the very front of my unit because then it would cause too much of a gap at the blending area. To remedy that, I'm placing the cap on my wig head, make a slit at the side of the cap a little bit up from the ear, then carefully cut the excess band off around to the other side. And it should look like this. Next, all you have to do is start crocheting the hair onto the netting of the wig cap. I add one piece at a time and bring one side through with my crochet hook. Then you want to take that and make a knot in the middle of the string, and I'm only tying it once so that it's easier for me to take the crochet hair out if I need to adjust the placement later, which I definitely went back and did for a couple of them. But yeah, I'm continuing until I reach the top, and unless you want a super duper full over the top look, my advice is to not pack this hair in. You want to leave space between them, especially in the back half, so the unit doesn't get overwhelming. Once you get towards the top, then you can start placing them a little bit closer. So here it is with one bundle installed, and I saw that it was already getting full, so I knew I wanted to do 3 bundles max, which is what I ended up using. Now once I got to the very front of the wig cap where I trimmed the band, I placed my hook underneath the band, added a piece of the crochet hair, brought one side over, and then I knotted the hair around the band. Since the elastic band is thicker than the netting of the cap on these perimeter pieces, I did tie them twice to make a true knot so the pieces wouldn't come undone. And as you can see, this helps to hide the band, which will make blending a lot more seamless. Here we are, all completed, and like I said, I installed 3 full bundles of the hair. Then to prep my hair, I'm taking some oil and applying it all over. After that, make a small part going across the front. That's going to be my leave out. You don't need much at all. Parallel to that section, I'm making another part a little thinner and cornrow the hair straight across. Once I get to the other side, part off some more hair and take that braid all the way down to the back. Opposite that, I'm doing the same thing. Make a braid going down the side, then hook it around the back. And I connected it to that first braid, which pretty much makes a braided halo around the edges of my head. And then for the rest of my hair in the middle, I made 4 cornrows and pinned the ends flat. Okay, taking some edge control and spreading that around my front, and then I'm going to brush that flat. And for my leave out section to blend, I'm taking medium-sized pieces of hair using this mousse and then taking a flexi rod and rolling it up tightly. I did 6 rods, then a little more edge control to shape my edges. I tied down my edges with a scarf and I let my hair air dry and set for about 3 hours, and now it's time to take out the rods. Hair comes out super curly and springy. Then I'm going to use some oil to separate. And I'm all set to put on the unit. I'm using this braid as a bumper. Put the cap on right in front of it, and the braid is going to help hold it in place so the cap doesn't slip backwards. Then bring the back of the cap over my cornrows. And you can see just how simple that was. No sewing, no combs, no clips. You can put it on and remove it in seconds. I took some water and mousse to define and tame the curls a bit. And then with my leave out, I took pieces and wrapped them in with the crochet hair to camouflage the length in the front. Yep, that is basically it. This unit is so comfortable. The netting is ultra breathable, and installing the hair like this makes it super versatile. You can see how easy it is to move it around, switch up the positioning and the parting. It just feels like your own hair, an absolute breeze to work with, and an even easier option, y'all. If you don't want to rod your hair, you can do bantu knots in the front, which is what I've been doing after the first day that I installed this. The blending is super easy. You can also do a half up ponytail style with this hair, and you don't have to worry if you're outside and the wind is blowing. It's all covered. Everything just flows. Now, if you want, you can make this unit even more secure by using some bobby pins, or you could sew it down by attaching it to the perimeter braids. But I love the ease of being able to take it off whenever I want. At bedtime, I can hang it up and sleep easy. Such a nice feeling. So y'all let me know what you think of my new do using Ywigs water deep wave crochet. As always, the link to this hair is in the info box, and I'll see you next time. Bye.